On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your trailer ABS light. This is on a Freightliner Cascadia. This is the problem that I was having. Every time I turn on the switch, the ignition switch, the ABS on the trailer wouldn't turn on. And every time I will brake, press the pedal, the brake pedal, the ABS light will come on and it'll go off by itself. So let me show you how I fixed it. So this is the back of the truck where the pigtail plugs in. The pin, this pin, the middle one, is the ABS pin, and I was testing it and it wouldn't give me a voltage. I was testing it with the voltmeter and it wouldn't give me any voltage. So I came over here to the fuse box, and the fuse that it was burned, it was the 14 trailer power, and the fuses are over here. This box right here, right there is I opened it so I can fix it. So it's gonna be this fuse right here, this one. That's the one that I changed. So let me change it so you guys can see how I do it. So I'm gonna be using these pliers to take it out. You just grab the fuse and pull it, and I have my new one right here. It should be at 30, and it goes back in there. So I should fix it. So right now I turned it off. I'm gonna turn it back on, and the ABS light should come on, the trailer one, or both. So when I turn the truck back on, there goes the light, the ABS light on the trailer came on. That means it's working now. And when I turn the truck on now, there goes the ABS, but it should go off, and it's off now. And whenever I press the pedal, the light is not supposed to turn on. So I'm pressing it right there, and it's not coming on anymore. And also the light on the trailer it is working now, and back then it wasn't turning on. And that's how you fix the ABS light. Thank you guys.